Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fill Visa Italy application form online. So first of all, search in Google Visa for Italy and then click on this website. After that, click here Visa for Italy and then scroll down and select your nationality, for example, United States, United States of America here, and then put the residency where United States of America, and then put, for example, up to 90 days, and select the reason, for example, tourism, and then click on go to answers, and just wait a little bit. And as you can see, the upon entering Italy, border authorities will require that you show documentation justify the reasons for and the duration of your stay in Italy. So you don't need a visa for United States of America and you can enter directly. Okay, guys, thank you and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.